Hey guys, if you're trying to transfer some crypto from an external platform or another wallet straight into Cash App, you're going to need your specific public wallet address to do it. It's actually very easy to find, but it's tucked away inside your banking settings. So let's get it pulled up right now. So first, unlock your phone and open up your Cash App. Look down in the bottom left corner and tap on the Money tab, which is the icon that looks like a little bank building or displays your current active cash balance. Once you are inside that banking dashboard, look past your standard cash settings and tap right on the Bitcoin title or tile. Just a quick heads up as well. If you haven't used crypto on Cash App before, the app will ask you to quickly complete a brief identity verification step before you can proceed. So go ahead and clear that prompt and you'll land on the main crypto tracking page. Now that you are on the main dashboard screen, look for the option labeled Deposit Bitcoin and tap on it. Then guys, instantly a new window will pop up showing a large QR code alongside a long string of random numbers and letters directly underneath it. So that unique string is your personal wallet address. So instead of trying to type out that long key manually and risking a massive typo, look right below the text and tap on Copy Address. Cash App will save it safely to your phone's clipboard, so you can just cleanly paste it into whatever external platform you are sending your funds from. And Cash App automatically generates a new address every single successful deposit to maximize your privacy on the blockchain. Don't panic, your older addresses will still link to your account safely, but it is always best practice to log in and grab the most recent address. Enjoy, that's all there is to it. If this helped, subscribe.